This is the story of the sound E. Can we say the sound E? There was a little girl, Isha, and Isha lived in India. India begins with E. One night, Isha went into a deep sleep. She dreamt of going to a place where there was lot of snow. And guess what it was? She went to a place where she could see igloo. Igloo begins with E. And then she even dreamt of having a pet. And the pet was iguana. Iguana begins with E. And in the morning, when she thought of her dream, she just laughed at herself. So, children, can we repeat the sounds? E. Isha begins with E. India begins with E. Igloo begins with E. Iguana begins with E. Let's trace the letter and say the sound E. Now we can trace it in the semolina tree. And then we can write it on the slate. If your child is not yet ready to write, you can write it for him. Dip the Q-tip in water and he can trace it by saying the sound